Everyone, my name is Raghavi Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So in this video, you're going to see about the lecture series of the subject 23 CST 201 Database Management System. So under that, Unit 1, Introduction, Topic, Relationship Types. So let's recall of the previous topic we have discussed. So we have seen about entities. So entities and the entities, example of entities. So entities consist of real world objects. Then it has attributes which is represented using a oval symbol. Then it has a validation. Then we have seen about entity types, which is a strong entity and a weak entity. So next one is attributes. We have different types of attributes such as single valued, multi-valued, composite attribute, etc. So then relationships and relationship types. So relationship is represented using diamond symbol. So entities are represented using rectangle, attributes is represented using oval, then relationship is represented using diamond for a database design. So topics for discussion: understanding entity interactions, identifying relationship types, designing relationship cardinality, representing a relationship in ER diagram, validating relationship consistency, then example student course relationship. So empathize, understanding entity interaction. So observe how entities interact in real world system. Then user action, data connections identity. Then example, student enrolls in a course. So understand real world interaction as database relationships. So identifying relationship types. So relationship types, we have mainly three types of relationship. So it helps to find us the association between different kinds of entities. So first one is one-to-one. In this relationship, there will be one entity which depends on another entity. So in one to many, there will be a one entity which has established a relationship between many kinds of entities. So next, many to many entities. So different set of entities can associated with different types of entities. So this is called as a many to many relationship. So which this is represented in M:(n). So next, designing relationship cardinality. So cardinality, participation constraint we have to consider. Then have to generate logical relationship ideas. So next, prototype representing relationship in ER diagram. So we have a diamond symbol for representing the relationship. So cardinality means a number of tuples available in the database design. So in ER diagram, we simply call it as a entity set available in the particular entity. We call it as a cardinality. So validating relationship consistency, have to verify relationship correctness. Then have to remove the redundant and incorrect relationship. Then have to match the real world rules. So the goal is to create a logical and consistent relationship based on the type of a relationship. So example, student course relationship. So student has a mini entity. We can represent it in M. Enrolls is a relationship. Then courses also, we have different kinds of courses. So it has a different entity sets. So it has a wide range of cardinality. So we can say it as M:(n). So let's summarize what we have seen in this video. We have seen about relationship types. So entity interactions, how the entity is interacted in the database table, then entity relationship representation, then cardinality, so the number of entity set available in the relationship, then example system, student enrolls in a course, then validation. So we have seen about the representation of a relationship types with the examples. So assessment quiz, which relationship type is used when one entity is related to many entities? So in this question we have single entity, the relationship between we have relationship with many entities. So this comes under one to many model. So the right option is option B. So next one is student course relationship is an example of. So in student we have different kind of entity, course also we have different kind of entity. So the right option is option C. So these are the few references. Thank you.